Austin, astronaut, a man barely alive. Gentlemen, we can rebuild him. We have the technology.
Hello everybody, it's Drew from Drew's Vintage Toys, taking another look at $6 Million Man and his repair station with the help of Pulsar Man over there in the left. Now I said, last video I said I was going to do one with the new rocket ship and transport station, but I chose it again, said I'm not going to sticker it. I thought I'd put this one up, but it was a pain getting it up because I have a broken clip down there I'll have to repair, or I could just leave it as it is because I have one already. But plug his chip back in. Now this is 1970s $6 Million Man. I'm just going to show you quickly some of his features. Whoops. Like, that's his pin. It's his bionic pin. It plugs in for his repair. This is his X-ray machine. Now this turns around and you see different parts of his body. His hand, his joints, torso, skull. Like I said, this turns into the rocket. That's the radar. You can see the radar there. And also transports into a hypo chamber, or whatever it is. It's just some sort of chamber. But we're going to have a look at that in a sec. And we'll have a look at him soon. But I am going to put this back and leave the video of it, but I'm going to dismantle it. Now let's see. Okay. Right, now I'm going to attempt to dismantle it without it falling apart. Okay. Nose cone. I'll show you the chamber. Bit of sound effects in the back. Let's see if this works without falling apart. And that's his chamber. You can see him through the window. I will attempt to pack it up with him still in there. Here we go. It's easier packing it away. Let's see, here we go here. Just the feet to hold it up. Oh. That's the broken pin. That's not going to work. And it sits on there like this. It's hard to get together. There goes the cone. But anyway, thank you for having a look. And as always, we have the technology.